I think it's a really good piece of advice. And coming back a little bit to earlier, you said that you've been to various pitch competitions, and I think you've also won like multiple. So can you just break down what makes a good pitch for people who are pitching their startup?
Absolutely. I think pitching is definitely an art. However, we hype it up so much that it becomes an anxious exercise.
Yeah.
So that would be my number one advice to everyone. Don't take pitching as an anxious exercise. Take pitching as an opportunity to share with others why are you passionate about what you're passionate about.
And the storytelling aspect.
The storytelling aspect is very, very important. And I think a good pitch should always cover the story and the problem and how are you solving it, but in the simplest terms. I've heard pitches that are so complicated कि pitch खत्म होने के बाद my first question is कि अच्छा तो फिर आप लोग करते क्या हैं? And I think that's a bad question to have. You know, there are no bad questions, but that's a bad question to have. And I understand, like my co-founder, he's very technical.
Right.
And whenever he speaks, you know, when he used to speak before, he would use all the technical jargons जो कि सिर्फ tech boys, tech girls समझ सकते थे, मुझे नहीं समझ आता था. So what I told him was कि start explaining things to me and take me as a person who does not understand it. And that
layman person.
A very layman way कि आपने हमेशा ये याद रखना है कि pitch in a way that a 3-year-old can understand. ये बहुत ज़्यादा कहा जाता है. So my advice would be, number one, don't take it as an anxious exercise. Just convey what you're doing to the other person. Second, storytelling is an art. Have a story attached. I understand कि pitch में आप सवाल भी पूछ सकते हैं. मेरे लिए हमेशा story has worked. Story helps me remember why someone does what they do.
And it's authentic.
It's authentic. हाँ यार, ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. Authentic रखें story को. You know, like my co-founder, when he pitches, he doesn't say कि oh, my parents are deaf. He always says like Azima's parents are deaf and I had my story. So be authentic to your story. I think that's second most important thing. तीसरी चीज़ आपकी ये कि problem को define करें. You know, explain कि problem क्या है. You can use statistics there. Those are important. But problem को अच्छे से define करें और फिर जो आपका solution है उसको simplest way में बताएं. Solution के ऊपर जो बाकी के सवाल होंगे ना, वो आपसे already जो आपके सवाल पूछने वाले judges होंगे या फिर investors होंगे, they will ask you in follow-ups as well. Always talk about impact. I think impact is very important in today's world. Everybody talks about impact in their pitch. So focus on के impact क्या है, and then end it with like why your team is the best to do the work. I think that's also very, very important. I understand that there are competitions where we are told कि 30 seconds pitch करनी है, 3 minutes में pitch करनी है, 5 minutes में pitch करनी है, and it's so difficult. So another tip there is to write your pitch down. It has helped me. पहले मुझे लगता था कि यार नहीं, natural रखने के लिए मैं उसी वक्त जाकर जो भी बोल दूँ. But अगर if you have time constraint, writing your pitch down really, really helps. So now I have started doing this. I have my pitches written down and I practice the timing with it. So that when I'm saying it out loud, I know that I'm confined to the timings.
I'm sure by now, like, you have a good hand of it. You've done it a few times.
Yeah, but still, I mean, you know, मुझे जब सिखाया गया था pitching करना, it was always an anxious thing. मुझे इतनी anxiety होती थी pitch करने के around कि बहुत बाद में जाकर पता चला कि यार मैं तो अपनी कहानी सुना रही हूँ, मैं क्यों डर रही हूँ? अगर मैं काम already कर रही हूँ उस चीज़ पर, I'm, you know, actually doing the work is harder than pitching. Right? Like every day waking up doing the work is harder than pitching. And I think that's something we need to remind ourselves. Writing down pitch is a very good tip. And third tip that someone gave me and I absolutely love is connect with your audience. You know, look at their eyes, ask them questions, या फिर give them expressions, have a conversation with them. I think that's another very good tip. Okay, have a conversation with your audience. You can have a conversation by looking at their forehead. अगर आपको eye to eye पे, you know, you're nervous, you can't do eye contact. Look at their foreheads, but have a conversation. That also makes your pitch, you know, memorable. और अगर कोई मोबाइल इस्तेमाल कर रहा है ना, तो in your pitch just be like, for example, Azima आपकी judge है, और Azima उस वक्त मोबाइल use कर रही है. You're pitching and you're then like, and you know Azima, there are 5% people in, and then you go on. And that also really helps.
And I don't think they would forget you if you did that.
Yeah, they won't forget you and they will respect you and they will realize that, you know, oh, ye to mujhse baat karna cha rahe hain. They'll feel happy.
That's true. I think those are some amazing tips. I think everyone...